Hello, everybody. It's Mindy. Welcome, welcome, one and all. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy what you see and you come back and watch more videos. And everybody else, thanks for returning. I have some wonderful stuff here to show you. This is part one of a package I received from OneDaySaving. So let's get into it. As you can tell, we are starting with some very jolly painting, right? Okay. Let's show you what we have. I believe everything I have today is a 30 by 30, which, as you know, comes out to like a 25 by 25, right? Yep, 25 by 25. Okay, this one has a white background, but that doesn't bother me. There's not a lot of white background. And I love pink Santa stuff, pink. Okay, I'm not the traditional red and green kind of girl. Give me pinks and like magentas, or I like blue, white, silver type stuff, right? I mean, I have a lot of red and green, don't get me wrong, but one of my favorite paintings I did a while ago was a Santa, and he was pink, and I put that up every single year. I don't know how I have something under there, but there's something there. Come on, get out of there. Get out. Okay, I love it. It has 7 different drills. A's and B's are going to be larger drills. I don't know what else we might have, but I think he is just cute. There were multiple pink Santas. I had to make a decision. Had to make a tough call. I liked them all. I actually asked Dale, my husband, which one he liked, and he looked at me and he was like, he was no help. Anyhow, clear rhinestones, red rhinestones, or are those magenta? No, those are actually magenta as I look closer. Light pink, green. We do have some greenery in here. Okay. And a brown. All right, love these. Look at those. Aren't those fun? I call these the snowflakes. They shine, they sparkle. Okay, that's going to be the A's, if I'm not mistaken. And look at the B's. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful magenta faceted browns. Love those. Those are so pretty. I love it. Okay, good choice. Good choice. All right, so let's put that one aside. Off to the side you go. I got other stuff over there. I can't go the other way. Let's stay in that season. Why not? Let's stay in the season. You know me and the gnomes, right? This one was super cute. Okay, so the Santa over there came in a series of multiples, pink Santas. There were multiple listings in this category as well. There were a lot of cute things here. But I loved this like plaid looking border around the outside. Then we got our 3 gnomes, a big poinsettia. Look at the hats. They got some crazy hats, don't they? I love them. And some snowflakes on this like shiplap wood background. All the evergreens in front. I love that one. It's got 7 different drills. 7, count them, 7. All right, let's see what they are. We have everything you would expect. Clear, red, garnet red, green, and that's all the rhinestones. Then we have the smooth red, and then we have them in a larger size. And then we have the pretty iridescent. Anytime they do these marquees, I don't care what color it is, with the iridescent, they're all pretty. White, blue, green, purple. They're all beautiful. They're some of my favorite drills. And they look just stunning when they're on a painting. Love it. Okay, go join Santa. Now, let's switch gears. We got to switch gears. Should have done these first because this comes first. Again, and you'll see this in just a second, multiple pumpkins. I'm all about pumpkins of a different color, right? They don't all have to be orange. They're pretty. I love the pink ones. They're so pretty. So this one has 8 different drills. We got some pretty flowers to go with it. We have special drills here. I see the B's over here, A's over there. And then we do have like a traditional orange pumpkin back there. But I love this one. I love this grouping so much. well, I couldn't just get one. You know, it's like a potato chip. You can't eat just one. Oh, I had to get more than one. So I try my best to not duplicate stuff that I get. So I thought, well, let me just get 2 of the pumpkin ones now. So we got a light pink, we got the darker pink, we have some orange, some green, a light green, and a dark green, and then look at that purple. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Love that purple. I hope that's like the centers of these flowers. It should be. Then we have round iridescent orange and some more of those clear iridescent marquise. I'm telling you, they're so pretty. Love those. Okay, so there's that one. There's that one. Let me show you this one. Right? There's another one. This one's more of a salmony color, kind of a peach color. Loved all the flowers around it. And then we have this pink little pumpkin in the front. It's probably more of a gourd, but you know, technicalities. Anyhow, aren't they pretty? You want to see them both together? Let me show them to you both together. Wouldn't this make just a great, like, duo, you know, multi-framed kind of thing? Something like that. I love it. Just love it. All right. So this one has 9 different drills. 9. All right, here we go. Let's roll them. Definitely got some fall orangey leaves there. Okay, here's what we get. Some light pink, some darker pink, some orange, a light green, and a dark green, and a purple. Now that's interesting. That's almost exactly like the other set, but those pictures are totally different, but they got the same color drills. Are they exactly the same colored drills? I don't know, they might be. Okay, for this one we have some little green round faceted, some more of those marquise, but then we get those. Oh my goodness, those are pretty. Yeah, those are going to go on these flowers over here. Love that. Super pretty. I mean, like I said, I couldn't get just one. I should have gotten 2 of the Santas too, right? Should have gotten 2 Santas. All right, one more. One more for this part. And now we went traditional. We went very traditional, right? We got the orange pumpkins, the orange leaves. We got some sunflowers. Super pretty. It's in a grapevine wreath, right? Love it. Love, love, love it. We got the 3 pumpkins there. We got some cream flowers, orange leaves, yellow leaves. It's super pretty. I see 10s as a large drill, 12s. There must be an 11 then. There's 11. There's 12 colors for this one. This one has a few more drills. It's got a lot more to drill also. You'll notice on the pumpkin ones, well, I just tore the sticky stuff right off the bag. The pumpkin, a lot of the pumpkin didn't get drills. All right, here we go. You know what we're going to get here, right? Yellow, orange, light orange, medium orange, green, brown, clear, a tan, another orange. What else would we have expected, right? Oranges, yellows, green, brown, gold, some big gold balls. They're going to go right there in our sunflower and over there. And then some little red ones. And then we have these beauties right there. Those are pretty. They're going to go back in here. Love that, right? I mean, aren't these just beautiful? I want to do them all. I want to do them all. I love them all, right? I can't do them all, right? But we went traditional and we went non-traditional with the pumpkins. And then, of course, who can say no to a gnome and then a non-traditional Santa? I mean, come on, right? Let me zoom you out. There they are, folks. There they are. Aren't they pretty? I'll link them all below so you can check them out. Make sure that you get the one you want because, like I said, a lot of times these are multi-listings. Pick the one you want. Look through. Make sure you get the one you really, really like. Okay? Yeah. So that's what I have for part 1 from One Day Savings. Be on the lookout for part 2. it's got a whole different array of things. This was pretty holiday-ish, you know, fall and Christmas. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you soon. Come back again, y'all. You hear? All right. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye.